Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back again with our latest weather analysis for this new week. Okay, this is another week of weather analysis. This is for today, February 19 to 21, Monday through Wednesday, and this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000. And this is in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands. By the way, if you're willing to check out the BPI Sustainable with You program, just click on the link here. And also Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Negacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat issued yesterday, Sunday, until today, Monday. Everything is the same since our last analysis, and we're quite busy during the weekend without any video analysis that we were not able to give you. But although the weather is the same, there's nothing to worry about. And the same easterlies are affecting the eastern sections of our country, particularly Bicol region, Visayas, and eastern Mindanao. There will be some showers or possible thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening through the next 24 hours. No developing LPA or tropical cyclone in sight. We just have here a near equatorial trough, so everything is fine. Here's the fast animation. Nothing to show you here. But if we look at the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, courtesy of their EUMETSAT satellite server, we have some low to mid-level cloudiness that could generate some showers across eastern sections of Caraga and Davao Oriental, as you can see it here, while the rest is cloudless. Okay, all blue skies with some a few low to mid-level clouds, particularly over the eastern sections of Luzon, also in some portions of the Bicol region. But as we move into the deeper part of the afternoon, it's all blue skies all across Bicol region and most parts of the country. And if we take a look at the wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days, courtesy of windy.com, this is from the European model. Tomorrow afternoon, it's all the same. Also on Wednesday until Thursday, February 22, it will be generally calm to light winds blowing from the east or the easterlies across the country. Calm to variable winds over the mountainous areas of Luzon, as well over the mountainous areas of Mindanao, and also in some portions of the Philippine Islands. And as we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Wednesday, all over the country it will remain dry, quiet, and sunny, but there are chances of isolated thunderstorms or rain showers over the eastern sections of northern Quezon, some portions of Panay, Negros, and also here over the eastern sections of the Leyte and the eastern sections of Caraga within the next 3 days. So this is now the effects of the ongoing strong El Niño, which is expected to weaken by March and April. So we are going to monitor that. And as we take a look now on the latest wave forecast, beginning today, Monday, until Thursday. So today, Monday, it will be generally calm to light waves of around 1.5 to 2 meters across the eastern sections of the Philippine Sea. The rest of the inland waters will remain calm to up to 1 to 1.5 meters of wave heights. And if we move into tomorrow afternoon, it will remain the same, although here across the eastern sections of Visayas, over the eastern portions of the Philippine Sea, the wave heights will increase from 2 to 2.5 meters, and generally it's all calm and quiet with light waves of up to 1 meters all across the coastal waters of the Philippine Islands. So it's good to have some fishing activities and travel by sea. And also on Wednesday, it's generally the same, 2 to 2.5 meters across the eastern portions of the Philippine Sea, and calm to light waves elsewhere. And also on Thursday, it's generally the same. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about. Here over the eastern Philippine Sea, although the wave height is up to 2 to 2.5 meters, it's just right to have some fishing vessels, but not the smaller crafts. So that's the latest from the windy.com wave forecast, and that ends our update for this week of February 19. And we will return in the next couple of days from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Stay safe always. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Mr. Typhoon.tv. Click on the subscribe button shown below. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.